Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Untied Podcast with Cash. We have an episode today focusing on the topics feminism, women empowerment, life, philosophy, and society. I have Samaita, Shikharini, and Soumya as my guests today. I hope you enjoy the video. Surely like it and share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Hey guys, so how are you doing? Yeah, any one of you can just unmute and answer it.
Yeah, I'm doing well.
How are
We're
you,
doing
Shikharini?
epic. We're doing epic. बोर्ड्स are cancelled. मतलब लाइफ में करना ही क्या है
You know,
बस
one of my
एग्जामिनेशन
friends,
करो.
Sajal Chore, is giving the boards. You know?
Yeah, like
So,
people are thinking about giving it, including me, but let's see what the circumstances will be.
I'm not thinking about it seriously, to be
yeah,
honest.
exactly. So,
The
like,
first thing
even.
I want to do is take admission in 11th.
Great. So, you are going for integrated or will you go for normal school?
Normal.
Okay, great. So, Dia, how's life?
Life is amazing. Like looking at you guys talking about boards, it really takes me down,
Yeah,
never
but you
mind.
know, we are a special batch, because we didn't give boards.
Yes, I'm so jealous of you guys because of that. Because I had to
It's
study
not
so
exactly to be jealous. We actually wanted to do
Yeah,
it
exactly,
because
because
it was
we.
not that great, and the words there was hope that we will get 99 and 98.
Exactly, because
oh my god.
we even studied for 14 months. Usually 10 standard students study for
Exactly.
10 months and give the boards. We studied for
Like
14
our
months
batch
only for
is
nothing.
Yeah, that got
So that hit hard.
yeah.
So yeah. So let's get to the topic. Today we are talking about feminism, women empowerment, and also life and philosophy. So we start. So my first question is, how would you describe feminism in your own words, or what it means to you? Soumya, you can answer first.
Look, Kashyap, feminism has a lot of meanings and definitions. You can Google it, you can understand it from there. But according to me, it's celebrating womanhood and each aspect of it.
Okay, great. Miss Samaita, what do you have for us?
I believe feminism is basically nothing but gender equality, and there are a lot of aspects, like Soma just said. There are a lot of aspects of it, but mostly it's about
Yeah,
celebrating all the genders
there
equally.
are some
You
people
know,
who take feminism in the wrong way. They think that feminism is saying that women are better than men. But the point of feminism is that women and men are both same human beings, that they are equal in every aspect of life, isn't it? So this is
yes,
what it's
exactly.
taken in
Even
a
I want to
wrong way
say
in our society.
that
Shikharini, you are saying something?
yeah,
Yes, please.
like yes, I was saying that feminism is equality. Actually, it's not just promoting women; it's equality amongst us. Like, you cannot promote feminism if you like fight for women first in a queue or something. Like women are first and we should go first. That is not feminism. It's equal. So if everyone is being treated equal, then you can't just fight for being first in the line of something.
Right, absolutely. So, do you guys agree that there is male supremacy in our society? Because I personally think it is, and I think it shouldn't be this way. So, what should we do about it? Soumya, please.
This runs in the blood. We can't do anything.
Are
Since
you
it's
sure?
the time of
Really?
our ancestor.
We really can't do anything.
We can make small efforts, but just making small efforts won't amount to anything if not everyone is making it.
Right. Miss Samaita, what do you have to say about this?
uh, I have seen a little bit more like, I have I'm
Yes,
doing a job
absolutely.
right now. I'm
Absolutely.
25 years old, and I am in a workplace which is a little bit different from what I have already seen in school.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
if you like Yes, firstly, it is a patriarchal society. Like, even if you would think about something, the head of the family, your mind automatically turns to your father. My father is the
Absolutely.
head of the family.
Yeah, yeah.
So it has been like this for like several like ages. Even Mohenjo-daro, Harappa. I'm not even kidding. It has been like that, and it will be like that.
But as of I have heard, back in our ninth history, we were taught that there are two
Mm-hmm.
periods in ancient history, right? One period is
Mm-hmm.
pre-Veda, one period is post-Veda. In the
Yes,
pre-Veda
one is
period,
the
in the
yeah.
pre-Veda
Yes,
period, women were allowed to take part in social meetings, and they were allowed
yes,
to be owners of public place, owners of their properties.
Actually, women
But
held a very powerful position then. Then,
yeah, yeah.
like
actually,
I
suddenly
remember.
there was a change in the society and the power shifted to men. And now it's like that we are adopting Western culture. It's not that our culture was also like women are also in power. And the Western culture have women in power, but unfortunately our society got altered by some of the other thing, and now they think that this was our actual culture, but it wasn't.
yeah,
It wasn't actually about the culture point. I would like to say that nothing is against Indian culture. Nothing is against Indian culture. If you think about it that way, sati was once Indian culture.
yes,
That
absolutely.
was common. That was common. We had to fix that. I mean, people of India. Ram Mohan Roy had to step up and fix that because there are so many things in our society, in our Indian culture that shouldn't exist. And yeah, like you mentioned, Lopamudra, there were many glorious women, prominent women who took part in society meetings. But I think the fact is, when a powerful woman speak, I believe all women are powerful. When a woman speaks, and men are automatically threatened if she's good at what she does.
Okay. So
At least
now,
it is in that side.
okay, so now I have a question for especially Bongs because I know you will be knowing about it. Is Mamata Banerjee a good leader?
See, like every leader has some fault or the other. But if you compare, then of course Mamata Banerjee is much better than any other party. To be honest, like
Okay.
I've not heard much about the other parties that before I was born and all the other parties that existed. But since the time I know about Mamata Banerjee, so she is much better than the other like leaders. I
Right.
believe
Right.
personally, if you
So,
compare them all.
so you are saying that in Kolkata, in West Bengal at least, Miss Mamata Banerjee has done great work.
Yeah, she has actually done some work. Like she's not like the other ministers who just sit and pass time and only like the improvement is visible
Right.
if you see in the last few years.
Right.
I'm not saying that she has done everything miraculously, but still.
So I feel
Yeah.
none of you are Modi Bhakts here.
Oh my God.
Oh my god, please no.
No, right?
Oh God. No.
So at this point of time, so suppose next election, Modi uncle will retire most probably. Okay, Modi uncle will most probably retire. I don't know. He can continue for more 2-3 terms. I don't know, but most probably Mr. Modi ji will retire. Who do you want next to come in? If you know anyone, or which party do you want to come in? If not a leader,
Kashyap, I would like to answer this. There is actually no one right now in Indian politics
that's
who
my
can.
point. Exactly.
I agree
Exactly.
with Sandhya
Highly
completely,
agree.
110%.
Exactly. Exactly.
There might be president's rule, but willingly, I don't think I would be able to vote someone next in the next elections.
Actually.
Voting.
So,
I won't be
so
able to
do you
vote
think
anyone.
it's better to give Modi your vote rather than giving Rahul Gandhi your vote, or is it better to give Rahul Gandhi your vote rather than giving Modi your vote?
That is a very
So you are practically asking our political inclinations now. Okay.
yeah, we just
Exactly.
stick to the subject.
See, I told you we are going to talk on feminism, life, philosophy, and so
White worker.
we went to Mamata
Dada, I want to
Banerjee. So
say one thing.
yeah, sure.
If you ever go into politics now, I'll surely vote for you.
You know, it's hard.
Dada
It's
Zindabad.
it's hard to at this point of time it's really hard for me to go मतलब क्योंकि मैं मेडिकल पढ़ने वाला हूँ ना मैं अभी
But you'll do
उधर से
very good
पॉलिटिक्स
in
में जाना थोड़ा
politics
मुश्किल है
actually. You're like for that official Dada, universal Dada.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god.
These famous Dada.
Let's
yeah.
give that title to Saurav Ganguly itself. I will earn
Yes.
some
Let's
other
just
title
say,
for
let's-
That guy deserves it. That guy deserves it.
Yeah.
He does. Also,
Okay.
Kashyap, you really just when your previous question, you really like compared White Walker and King Joffrey. Like you can't, both of them are
Yeah.
wrong.
Okay.
One of them is just
That's a
Right,
nice
right.
one. That's a nice one.
yeah, because both of them are terrible, but one of them is like less terrible. So exactly.
So my question is, who is King Joffrey and who is the White Walker?
Well, someone who doesn't want another religion to get eliminated.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that one is White Walker.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, exactly.
The intelligent ones will obviously understand after seeing this podcast. So let's go to the next question. How do you want men to see women, as in terms of competition and hierarchy?
That's a brilliant question.
Shikrini, should I repeat the question once again?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you want men to see women in terms of competition, as in, competition in workplaces, politics, any other occupation, and hierarchy in society? Because still, we all know that at some point, at some places, women are still not given so many opportunities. Even if they are given the opportunities, they are paid less than men. They need to work harder. Even though
So I want men to see women as their like own self, like equally. There's no hierarchy or like women are neither superior to them nor less than them. It's
Okay.
like we're equal. Because right at the moment when we again start like a hierarchy, then it's no point. It's all about keeping men and women equal. And yeah, if women even go like superior than men, I'm pretty sure women will do much better than men.
Okay. Soumya, do you want to say something about it?
Of course, we should be given equal opportunities, and men should view us as equal competitors.
Absolutely.
With evolving times, we are not behind them in any of the aspects, whether it be education, whether it be mindset, whatever it is. We have coped up with them over the years, and I think we should be given equal treatment. And the people who think that women are, greater than men, or men are an inferior gender,
Mm-hmm.
this is like radical feminism or something like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is not supposed to happen, because then how will we be from the patriarchal thought?
Actually, absolutely.
Then we will be just promoting a matriarchal society, and that too a very toxic one.
Exactly. That
And when
that is
right,
that is
Agree.
exactly the problem. Feminism in India is still not
and when
understood.
the
well.
suppressed ones rise, we have seen down the history, when the suppressed rise, it is a huge revolution. Maybe we will be worse than men
Yeah.
if we do something like that.
Absolutely.
Because politics is a burning example of when a woman gets down to the level of a man, she can do anything, legit anything.
Absolutely.
Agreed.
Like when I went back to Kolkata, I asked Miss Samaita one question. Who do you think was the best Prime Minister of India ever? I expected Vajpayee, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, but she told me Indira Gandhi. But in my mind, I have heard stories from my mother about Indira Gandhi, so I never saw her as a leader. But she told me a few things about Indira Gandhi that really told me that okay, she was a badass. So,
She definitely
so
was.
can you again say that to my audience and to my guest today?
Look, to make the kind of decisions she did at that point of time, and she was at that time really hated by some people.
Yeah.
She was shot dead. That kind of hated. Okay, so the choices she made, like, because as a woman, I believe if I was in that situation, I wouldn't have, like, I would be confused. I would be like, oh my God, what to do now? I would be confused. But she is such an inspiration. She made me believe that if I was ever in that situation, I would find my way. I would know exactly what to do, how to get out of it. She made bold choices, regarding a few things. And this is just a personal opinion. I don't want to like be political
Sure,
about
sure.
it
Sure.
in this discussion. And she is my personal favorite because of the bold choices she made, because of
Absolutely.
how she led her life with no regrets, with a powerful personality. She was a great speaker. She encouraged so many people and became, and she's someone I really look up to in the
That's
matter
great.
of politics. And
Absolutely.
yeah.
Absolutely. So that is something, which really inspired me to, know more about Indira Gandhi, because there is more to her story. So I think it should be brought in front of the Indian students at least, because these people have done something for their country. Even Jawaharlal Nehru, even though he has done something in the past, freedom fighters, he has some troubles with them, but even he brought some kind of development in this country. You know, that the steel industry and the construction, the industries which were not really growing at that point of time. I think Tata at that point of time, my dad said that Tata at that point of time grew because of the support of Nehru. So I think we need to know more about them so that we can have a complete judgment of who they were as leaders.
Yeah, it's like a debatable topic.
Exactly. So in a podcast we won't debate about it, but yeah, it's good to discuss about it. So my next question is, have you ever felt unsafe in this society? And if yes, what do you suggest us to do for it so that everyone feels comfortable and we thrive together as a society?
I would like to answer that.
Yeah, sure, Soumya. Absolutely.
This involves an incident. So I was in 7th standard, time around 8 p.m. in the evening. I went to get some grocery or something from this shop nearby. And while I was returning, these two, really like hooligan type men just came rushing on a bike, and they like, laid a hand, one of them laid a hand on my collarbone as if I am their ancestral property, like from here to here. And I was so devastated after they left because they were on a bike. I couldn't do anything. I was devastated. I had my purse in my hand, which I dropped. I remember one thing, I was shaking in the middle of the road. And this was not, let me tell you, we only talk about India, but this is the condition of almost all the South Asian countries. I was in Maldives at that time, in the capital.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And this happened in the busiest street of that country.
My God. I never knew about this.
Yeah.
I didn't know about it. Seriously.
More power to you, Shamya. Seriously.
So do you think, so there's something, I mean, there has to be something which can be done to stop these things. Like,
It starts right at home. It starts right at home, Kashyap. It starts
If
right at
people
home.
don't change their mentality and thinking, then nothing can be changed. And it's not just about girls, about everything, that it should be incorporated in girls as well as boys.
right.
Yeah,
Right.
there's so many things I would like to say in this for this question.
Sure.
Whenever we bring this question to the table, like we don't feel safe. I can assure you, Kashyap, 100% to 100%. All women have faced this. All of them. Of this sort of incident, all of them has faced this. And whenever we bring that question, the first thing that comes to their mind is not all men.
Absolutely.
And I would like to say is, well, enough men to make it a global issue,
Actually.
enough men to make us feel scared that I still don't get to like sleep outside. Like, I am not allowed to have sleepovers. I'm
Actually.
25 years. I'm 25
And
years old.
because
I'm
of
allowed.
that reason,
Yes.
in some place, even my mom thinks that something can go wrong. So even my
Exactly.
mom
And
doesn't allow me to go to sleepovers. She has taught
Same.
me since my childhood how to respect women, how to talk to girls, what not to do, what to do, which is not done in every household, which is the problem of this Indian society. They are already
Yeah.
taught male supremacy. They are only taught कि भाई जाओ बाहर,
I think-
तुम ही सब कुछ कर सकता हो और कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
And like you mentioned, this should actually start at home and also in schools. It's very important that schools also start teaching
See, what
kids,
happens-
like all genders, on
In Indian
what
schools, it's mostly about education, like padai,
See,
and
even in
marks.
co-ed
And in
schools-
some schools, sports.
basic,
But
basic
the
sense.
normal basic human life
Exactly.
education they don't give in the schools. And there are so many topics that can be covered in schools which half of the children don't know about. And when they get
Absolutely.
to know through wrong ways, then it takes the shape of a crime later.
Like
Exactly,
this year,
and all the things kids learn these days, half of the things on regarding how to talk with women, what to do, what not to do from the internet. And I don't think that's like a reputable source. That is not somewhere you should learn these things. You should learn things from your school, or your parents need to sit you down and have that conversation. Parents are not having that conversation. That is exactly
Yeah.
why we feel unsafe.
And parents also need to have a check on their behavior too, because children learn from their parents.
absolutely.
Exactly. I was about to say that.
Let me tell you this, you might be able to relate to it.
Yeah.
किसी भी घर में झगड़ा होता है, the way a father or a mother talks to their spouse, the child starts reciprocating that.
Actually, absolutely.
Starts reciprocating that. If the father is talking very rudely and in a very bad manner to the mother, he will learn that यही तरीका है औरत का करने का. And this is how she should be treated.
I hear you.
Right.
Absolutely.
I have seen this.
That happens.
Mhm.
Even if it's a daughter, I'm just not talking about men. Like, if it's a daughter, we kind of have this mentality like this is normal. Like this abuse is normal. Like
Yes.
when my partner will abuse me, it's normal. ये प्यार है, but it's not.
It's not pyar.
Like
It's
I think
not,
I
like,
Far
shared
away
this
from
incident.
pyar.
झगड़े होते हैं. It's not
हाँ.
like this. That is somewhere we need to spot that red flag and need to get out of the situation like
Yeah.
fast. If my partner is behaving like that so early in that relationship, I'll be like, no.
Yeah, absolutely.
Fighting
Bye.
is normal in a relationship, but fighting
Even-
also has a limit to it.
Yes, I'm talking about abuse. Even verbal abuse. A guy cannot verbally abuse you and just get away with it.
Absolutely.
I am not that. No one should be that kind of person.
Absolutely. So I think this question really shows that women need to be respected and they need to be looked upon as equals. They are they make societies, like our moms make us. If our moms wouldn't have been there for us, we wouldn't be anywhere. So I think the respect for women is still not where it should be, but I think if we are taught well in schools and in our households, it can still be achieved, and we can surely be a good developed society and not only a male dominated developed society.
Yeah, just respect us
Agree,
not
agree.
because we give birth to people, we give birth to children. Respect us because we are human beings. That's it.
Absolutely.
That's not all I want to do. Yeah.
So
We are just
Something else which is needed to be taught in high schools and middle schools is also consent.
Absolutely.
Yeah, oh God, yes, I
Like
hear you.
this year, which sub-
Kashyap,
which
you can have a totally different podcast on consent. I have a lot of information regarding it.
I don't have any problem. Just start speaking.
I want to do it once again.
You
But
see,
one
even this
episode.
year in our school, the chapter which was cut from our syllabus of biology was reproductive system, was human growth and
Yeah.
development, in which we were taught about population control, the population growth, the population burst, the
Yes.
do's and don'ts, and
And
ICSE
we still want
removed
that
it.
cute.
So the
India
most important topics which should have been taught at least to some of the kids, if not all, was completely ignored. Now these people who have not been educated in those particular topics in the
It
future
was
can go
supposed to be
and do
taught to
something
all,
wrong.
guy, girl, irrespective of that.
I want to say something about it.
Absolutely, please.
Yeah. So right now, this chapter, the reproductive system, it's actually a very important chapter which needs to be taught at a very important time period of our life, which is adolescence.
Yeah.
Okay. And it is cut down because I won't point out to any particular person, but somewhat also political influence also. Like our education system is somewhat politically influenced. If you go down if you see the books of a decade ago or something and the books right now, you will see a drastic change in the syllabus and the chapters. And all the chapters that have been cancelled or removed are some of the other like influenced by some of the other political party.
Absolutely, that's right.
Yeah. And this thing is mainly cancelled because people think अभी 10th में है बच्चे अभी से पढ़ने को क्या है. If they wanted, they could cancel any of this chapter also, like
Absolutely.
the circulatory system, excretory system. This is so vast that you can learn it elsewhere also. But reproductive system, it's like I know it's a vast chapter and a lot to learn, but it's also very important
Also,
part of
reproductive system नहीं
education.
किया. Why delete population control? Population control क्या?
Exactly.
पांच chapter है वो 5 पेज
Because
का
the
chapter है वो.
teachers are too hypocritical and shy to explain what is
Exactly.
tubectomy.
You know, honestly, we have never been taught these things in our school. I will be really honest.
Exactly, and that's exactly why
Exactly.
few,
Never been
few
taught
people will Google about this, and they
We
will
will
get
be
a
lucky
very,
if-
very wrong idea about it.
हमारी
We will
सारी
be lucky
शर्मलाज
some of
यहीं
them-
तक सीमित है. हमारी सारी शर्मलाज यहीं तक सीमित है.
Yeah, now I want to say that we are still lucky that in the cities, some schools like the teachers are not like that conservative. Also, they are free to teach, but in some of the like rural areas, it's such a taboo that the teachers don't want to talk about it. Also, like if a girl has some problem or like she suddenly starts a menstrual cycle and it's all like episode and something is happening. It's not like that. If you don't educate her at the right time, then of course it will lead to chaos only now. And it's not wrong to talk about it. Like some people saying that it's not at the right age and at the right time to talk about it.
Yeah.
But like we are grown up enough to be taught about it and understand it.
I think everyone should be like taught about it at the age of 13. Like I'm talking about education of sex. Just gonna say it. Like sex education is like null. Like even American schools get it. Even Pakistani schools get it, and they are doing well in that aspect, I guess. And somehow we believe that talking about it is, oh my god, like ऐसे ही हो जाएंगे, and we are like
बच्चे बिगड़ जाएंगे.
exactly like
Oh.
बिगड़ जाएंगे.
what are we gonna do? Just get them married and then expect kids, not naturally, but कुछ दिखाओ मत.
I guess Kashyap and Shikharini would be remembering this incident. In 9th standard, we had a chapter called skin, human skin.
Right.
Yeah.
About it in detail. And if you remember, our biology teacher, I'm not going to name him, our biology teacher, she skipped the part of sebaceous glands, which was tests.
Yeah, I remember. You're right.
And
Yeah.
the entire class started whispering. I was like, oh my god, why the hell are you people whispering? It is a gland. It is a gland.
I know that was a very weird.
Remember that कि birth से लेके 6 महीने तक उसी gland के भरोसे रहता है बच्चा.
Your stereotypes
These
need to be
are
changed.
who
Nothing else.
objectify. Yeah, no, they are objectifying us. They're skipping the part because they look at us as objects. They look at these things as objects. Come
We are
on, yaar.
dolls. We are dolls. We are to be played with and then we have to be thrown away. भाड़ा जाओ तुम.
No wonder women are angry nowadays because of things like this are happening. Because come on, you guys are. I'm sorry. How old are
So
you? guys?
nothing has
15
changed and
and a
nothing has
half.
gotten better from
Exactly.
20th century.
Trust me, Kashyap. In like nothing.
Nothing.
Like nothing has changed. Like we are taking baby steps, and the steps are like so tiny. Like microscope से ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि क्या हुआ progress. ठीक है. But
So coming to the next question, answer this. Do you think that the Indian government has done enough for promoting women empowerment?
Policies जाती हैं, policies
that is a very-
governments जाती
Okay,
हैं.
I think this question is very firing. So I would like to go one by one to each one of you. So let's start with Soumya.
Yeah.
I'm zooming in on
I
you.
told you ना, governments जाती हैं, policies जाती हैं. कोई उस पे ढंग का reaction होता नहीं है. जाते हैं, doctors वहाँ पे जाते हैं. Let me tell you about this. Policy आई थी. वो प्लानिंग के लिए, हम लोग की मम्मी के कॉलेज के टाइम में, हम लोग के मम्मी पापा के कॉलेज।
तेरा वो म्यूट हो गया था, फिर से बोल एक बार।
हाँ,
During our mother father's college time, there came a policy for family planning.
Okay.
Okay.
okay,
So these people from census department and all were going and spreading awareness.
Okay.
okay,
Area where they were explaining there was this family of like 9 people, like the couple, 2 people, and then there were 7 children.
oh my god,
7 children, and they had like खाने का उपाय नहीं था. एक टाइम खाते थे तो सोचते थे कि दूसरे टाइम क्या खाएंगे.
My God.
ये था सीन. और उसके बाद सेंसस वालों ने जब एक्सप्लेन करना शुरू किया तो उन लोगों को जानकारी की इतनी कमी थी और वो लोग समझना नहीं चाहते थे कि मतलब मेरे बच्चे को बुरा बोल रहा है, मेरे बच्चे को बोल रहा है कि वो अनवांटेड है, और झाड़ू लेके पड़ गए वो सेंसस वालों के पीछे मारने के लिए.
now I want to say something about that. Soumya, I want to say something about that. Yeah. So I was saying that this topic which you're talking about now, this same line is like not the same line about Jhadu point. The line that people don't want to understand. It's written in a biology textbook. That if you, I tell the page number also. If you open that page, it's written that the main problem of population control is that people don't want to learn only. They're like, and also another point is that they think that if they have more children, then they will get like more occupation chances and more income. But they don't understand the fact that when will they go to job if they don't get to eat only? They will die starving for food. So that's also a point.
Right. Miss Samyata, you want to say something about it?
Yes, I'm sorry, can you repeat the question once again? I have a lot of things to say. I need to make sure.
Do you think
Yeah.
that the Indian government has done enough for promoting women empowerment over the years since independence?
I'm
of the
not.
country?
Online, absolutely not. I mean, girls are getting raped inside a temple. So, and the people are running free. Lawyers are murdered. Journalists are shot. So, definitely not. There's nothing. And if you speak out, like, you have to be scared to speak. And that's like one of my fundamental rights. I have the right to speak. Okay. I have the right to speak. So do you. Everyone does.
Everyone
And
does,
I'm
yes.
fundamentally, yeah, exactly. Like, I'm scared. I don't want to be. I don't say this out loud, but people are scared, especially women, because you step
You
out
feel
of
that
your
you will be
home, you're
silenced.
scared. Absolutely not.
So?
I will not be silenced. That is exactly why I'm speaking right now.
Okay.
But we are scared deep down because there are things that is happening and the government's doing nothing. They're busy playing cat and mouse games with
agree.
religion and with religion. Like they are making a fight about something that doesn't even exist, and
Actually,
they are not actually focusing on the core issue that should be focused on. Our farmers are getting killed. Indian farmers
Yes,
and
yes.
the women farmers, they get paid less. They I read a news article somewhere where it said that the women farmers were not given equal pay as same women laborers, not farmers. I'm sorry, women laborers are not given equal pay. The ones who see jo eat leke jati hai, they are not given equal amount of money the same as the male ones because they bleed once a month.
My
That was the excuse, and the headline was like what? And then I thought, like, okay, that's shocking. That's really shocking. But then I figured out, let's check the salary of my own coworker, a male coworker. And guess what? We are both fresher and he's paid more.
My goodnessly.
Exactly. And this is not
pay
just
parity is there in every, in every industry.
exactly. So, like, the government is doing honestly nothing, not even in corporate sector, not even in someone who's like downtrodden, nothing. There has been no improvement. Even if there is, I'm just glad kids are getting education in Bengal now. I've seen it with my own eyes. Like,
Great.
people are getting, the children are getting education, proper education. They're given cycles so they can reach schools. They're given
That's
meals.
a very good initiative, actually.
Yeah, actually, I know. And that was great. But other than that, there's nothing done.